Hello everyone. It seems as if Fuller built the building blocks, the A, B, E, T's and sleuths of other modules just to contradict his own claims, one of which is the MITE, also known as minimal tetrahedron. Let's divide the cube into three identical solids. These solids are square-based pyramid, also known as half octahedrons. We have a one frequency cube, solid edges, diagonal is prime vector, and we're going to divide this cube, and the only way to divide this into three identical blocks, the lowest common denominator, would be build these. These are half octahedrons or square-based pyramid. You see the diagonal of the square, that's a prime vector, and this is how it looks like. That's 1/3 of the cube. Synergetics has no modulus to express this by demonstration. The only way to express this in synergetics is by a mathematical exercise, just like most of the synergetics claims are. Actually, this is also a very powerful example what can happen in high frequencies. Please watch. Indeed, synergetics can duplicate this phenomena, but need to be at 2 frequency, even though they still claim to be at 1 frequency. I want all to see that the MITE is not the minimal in actual modeling. It is only minimal on paper and by wrongly conceived geometry. Now we have these square-based pyramid, 3 of them. So we flip them like this, and we have a very familiar shape in synergetics called MITE, minimal tetrahedron, and we have 3 of them for this small cube. Now of course you can build cubes with mites, but it would be a 2 frequency cube. You would need 24 of these to do so. So thus it's not minimal. Now, this is just another way to pinpoint that the labeling is totally out of whack. Now here I put these mites together, and I'm gonna make a quarter oblate octahedron, also known as quadricoupler. So I put these 2 mites together, and voila, that is the double corner. Do same thing in here. Wow, a double corner. Put them together, and we have our square-based pyramids. Please folks, watch the bottom of this. You see, that's a 2 frequency square. Now we can divide this, of course, into half, just like that, and we have a MITE. This is a 2 frequency MITE. I honestly feel sorry for Kirby. I know I would feel devastated. Years of work, totally worthless. The only function of the synergetics modeling is to serve as a reductor ad absurdum at best. Guys, very quickly here, I'm very shocked what's going on a list. I want to put little light on this 8-9 formula, because what I hear, it's mind-boggling. Just very quickly I want to do this. I make a cube again. Since this is a 1 frequency cube, folks, we have a formula 8-9. That means there is 8 cubes like this in a 2 frequency cube, of course, and there is 9 blocks for each cube. It doesn't exist in synergetic. It doesn't exist in reality. It's impossible. It only exists on paper. But that formula means that there is 8 of cubes. Each cube consists of 9 blocks. And do the calculation the same way you do, which is correct. The edge of this cube gonna be 2. Thank you, and see you all later.